Hey, thank you for clicking on the video about the inflatable hot tub. Today I'm going to be cleaning it up, and I'm going to open the drain up, and we're going to scrub it. We're going to drain it. We're going to get a whole new fresh batch of water in it. Needs to be cleaned. So on all the saluspa tubs, they all have a drain just like this. It's got a garden hose thread cap. You take it off. Careful not to cross thread it. There we are. I got the hose all strung out, and we're ready to start draining. If you look inside your tub, you'll see the drain right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to reach in. You're going to pull it up. And I'll also put a rock right there. And at this point, I'll turn the heat and the pump off. But I'm going to run the bubbles. So I got the tub draining, I got the bubbles going. I'm trying to stir it up. Any sediment that's in there, I want it to be able to be floating in the water so that when it gets by the drain, it can just get sucked on out into the hose and down it goes. But as you can see by that bubble mass in there, there is some dirty water. So it's time. We're gonna clean it up good. Get some fresh water. Scrub it up real good. Get right in the folds there. We don't need the filter now. Let's just see what it looks like. Now, yeah, it's pretty dirty. There's a sticker. Let the bubbles get a little too big. There's one rolling away. But anyways, we're gonna rinse all that soap out of it, and we'll start filling it up again. It hasn't even, there's still water, so I'm just knocking down the bubbles a little bit. I just drained it completely, and then I got it down to the last little bit, and I had to actually lift up a side and dump it out right here. And I took the hose and I sprayed it all out real well, and we're ready to start filling. Yep, filling it up good. We'll get the filter in there in a minute, start cleaning some of that iron out of there. You can tell it's pretty tough right now, pretty hard water. It's almost ready to get the pump turned on again too, so. And then over here, I was cleaning up the underside of this, sprayed it down, rinsed it off. It's almost ready to go back on. All right, there's the hot tub for you. It's about all filled. All right, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, comment below. This tub is all clean. Side note, this light is for sale right now, $19 on Amazon. I paid $25. So have a good day. Thank you.